Hi, Chef Dan here, and this is my sous chef,
Bella, and today we're making Keri Kundert's Snickerdoodle cookies.
Yum. And this is one of our security guards, Annie. Just in case you hear her in the background guarding our secret Snickerdoodle recipe.
We're going to take the cream and tartar, baking soda, and salt and add it to our flour.
And the reason why we're adding cream and tartar, that's going to add texture and some volume to the cookies.
Make sure you get all of it out.
Give it a good mix.
Cream 2 sticks of butter and 1 cup of sugar.
You can add the other half cup too.
And then a half cup to cream it.
And you want to make sure you get them nice and mixed in together, nice and creamy.
We'll be adding vanilla and 2 eggs to the dry mixture.
Good job.
I'm going to add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture.
There you go. Tap this out for you. Okay. And let's get that on. Lock it in place. Start.
Shape the dough into 1-inch balls and roll in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Make sure to wash your hands before doing so. You're going to take the butter and roll it into 1-inch balls. And then we're going to take our brown sugar and there we go. Make sure to place them about 2 inches apart. Now we're going to bake them for 8 to 10 minutes.
Now the one thing I didn't do, I didn't space them out enough. So just make sure you space them out a little further apart at home. They're good to go. And now it's taste test time.
Yummy.
Oh,
It's really good.
So from our family to your family, happy holidays.
And Happy New Year.
Bye.